we are following biodynamic organic farming practices in our farm. Okay, this setup is called biodynamic flow farm. Let's take a look at that. See, if you observe here, the water is getting circulated in a vortex form, both in clockwise as well as in anti-clockwise direction. Normally in biodynamic farming practices, the biodynamic preparations will be mixed in the water. For example, biodynamic 500 is a preparation which has to be applied around 30 grams of preparation in 15 liters of water for 1 acre. It has to be stirred well both in clockwise as well as in anti-clockwise direction, so that every time when you are stirring it, a vortex has to be formed. The purpose of creating a vortex is to enable the cosmic energy to flow into the medicine, okay, which gets applied to the soil as well as to the plants. It will have very positive impact on the soil as well as on the plants. But since the acreage is very large here, okay, preparing this medicine for say some 30 or 40 acres of land, it's very Herculean task. So manually it is very difficult to do that. So any biodynamic farm, large biodynamic farm will have this kind of setup just to enable the proper mixing of the medicine is happening in the form of vortex. Okay, so that is the purpose of having this flow farm in our farm. Thank you.